Mr. Witicker.
Hey, come on. What are you doing?
Huh? Oh, sorry, what were we talking about?
Unfortunately, Mr. Witicker, I cannot offer you a loan because your bakery hasn't been profitable for like 8 months.
But sir, this is all I have. This is all the only memories I have of my wife. Please, there's gotta be something I have to do for this.
I'm sorry, but your bakery just isn't raking in enough dough.
But this is my wife's passion. There's gotta be at least something I can do.
I'm sorry, that's just how the cookie crumbles. Or the bread burns.
Come on, this is all for my wife. It's the yeast that you can do. Come on, I need that money.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get a rise out of you, but there's nothing I can do.
Why I gotta.
I'm doing this for you, baby. And for you, baby girl. That'll do. I'm so smart. Seems simple enough. Basic berry muffins. How hard can that be? Let's get to baking bread.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, that's the food.
Romantic, isn't it?
This is all good. Need a couple more minutes.
Shut up and sit down.
Why can't I do anything right? Oh, I got an idea.
Hey man, what's going on? Hey man, I'm doing good. Hey, what's that over there?
I need money.
Hello, Mr. Witicker. How may I help you?
I need $10,000.
$10,000? Your account says you're not allowed a loan.
I don't think you understand this. This is a robbery.
Oh. Oh, damn, okay.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Money. So much money. I can't believe it. There's so much money. Beautiful money. There's nothing more I can ask for. Except... Still good money.
What's this?
Hey, Chief. So you remember that bakery that we used to shop at?
Yeah, you mean the one that closed down for a bit?
Yeah, it's back open, and the husband actually took over. So I think we should maybe swing by.
Why do you think we should go over there? Are you like hungry or something?
Yeah, they're making some like big dough, big dough.
Yeah, they do that, man.
No, man, they're like making serious bread, Chief. Like I'm talking bread.
Yeah, man. I know what a bakery is.
Chief, you understand? They're making in the dough, but they ain't making no dough, if you get what I mean.
Detective, what the hell do you mean?
No, Chief, you don't understand. This bakery is making dough, but the bakery's not doing anything. The husband took over, right? And he's making a lot of money, but he's not selling anything. And I'm just saying, Chief, with my years of detectiveness, I think there's something suspicious.
Reynolds, you're a genius. Let's go.
Let's get this done, Chief. Mr. Whitman, come out now.
Who is it?
It's Detective Reynolds. Come out with your hands up.
I have some bread in the oven. Let me just get to that first.
Move in.
Tell me, Detective, why do they call it an of-and when you of-and cold the food? I'll eat hot the food.
Please step out with your hands up.
Shut up and sit down.